We were there for 8 years. You didn't do it. Don't blink your eye. See, we are not doing politics. I'm speaking the truth. This is Ghana. Stop that. We will criticize NDC, we will criticize MPP. That's the only way to go. I was chairman. NDC started this. Why didn't you complete it? You were there for 8 years. You didn't complete it. When somebody comes for 15 months, then you have a problem. Please, give me a break. Ghana, we should love our nation and stop playing politics with everything and do the right thing for the country. And that is what I'm doing. You see, when I mentioned MPP, he was blinking his eye. Why do you want me to criticize NDC and leave MPP? When I know that both parties
2024 campaign now. Yeah. Na MPP NDC for Gina so every year campaign tia no. This time around, yanu me support to Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia no. And ye nyina no Ghana ayanko ha. Wo see your friend Kennedy Agyapong. Enti no o be catch Ghana for say MPP any moral rights e be complaining. Papa. So afofra men fam ma MPP so biom. I'm telling you, what you do for me, no, man, you are very shallow minded. No, money, answer. No more fees are oh, yeah, kind of crana so pagana for us. I am true. Now we are raw for a base polo big time. New patriotic party, you bet to me winning 2028 election with that Kennedy Agyapong. Nyatum not Dawson. We are corrupt. We are selfishness. We are selfish. Now, selfishness, you know.
Abusia so you be our social media no so say oga book na konko ko Japan world trend yi pa na me trend a world trend no akwa ye papa ele boni trend and as I read the world trend na onabo edi ni birthday na watchi mu eni adoye de waye bi yi pa incubators ahodo ya wato e de akoma hospitals a police fu a wodi motorbikes any pickup e kwa akoma mo any ade na abusia we na oguso a wo ye no and na wo koye donations e de ma hospitals a wodi incubators a wato no e kwa akoma wo na e ho ene ekomisa honorable Ken Akomprekun Agyapong say na anu ada ene ehu say minority fo a wo mo ye NPP fo no so fi NPP mu na wo fi parliament enche ye ni nyanu parliamentarians ne kopie mu e wo Ashanti region ne kopie mu Aferi hospital ya wo mo cha aban ne sa aban ne ba abanya so no 1.5 months mu ni na so come say hospital no 80% complete na wo mutimi enye hwemfa ho na bo kopie mu wo ne emu ne course ewo media no so confrontations ahodo ya na asogafo ho no emma kwan emma minority fo no emmo enwom ne no ene yaji honorable adwenkyere ewo ho na honorable ebeka se ede asem na MPP fo wo mo eka no na sa Aferi hospital no wo mo MPP fo ba ba mu 8 years ede ena wo mo ye de fa ho abra no wo no eye chair ewo defense ministry na what committee no so no wo mo ba nan so wo mo ko sa ba na ye wo maban ena na ewo so na so wo koye no wo mo si wo mo kwan ya wo mo ntimi akwan ko ra wo te ne ede na asesa MPP for ebo NDC for so we say menje nsam no enka me yenkotie nsam a honorable eka ye ya sabe de akwakofa trend bone de abra na Ghana for say wanka say yetitiru ene MPP for nankasa na yekotie no too much GH mesre so we subscribe to no so dem ya no waka say wo de girl no ebeka ho sa no upload to the first person ya won sabe de kan
NDC, it was started by President Kufuor, the locations and all those things. NDC came to start it when we came. I'm an MPP, and I have to tell you the truth. We're talking about Ghana and nobody. We didn't do anything. Read my lips. I'm telling you the gospel truth. I was the chairman for defense in Nigeria. When we decided to go and inspect Aferi, they stopped us. We didn't go. So I heard somebody talking 15 months. Has Aferi hospital been there for 15 months? We were there for 8 years. You didn't do it. Don't blink your eye. See, we are not doing politics.
no, don't blink your eye now. Osha, Wakasano, what I need any shade see. That is a big and chain. It's a bit funny the one rabble, so one rabble, their shots in the middle to be here. As a we wouldn't actual rabbles as a one over. A piaco baby, no could be Pemna Palana, then now do a neat Siano. To me, boo any chapalana, Palana, so young and Nasa Pala. When he was a boo and Yano, when you were patching to make a nip. Buneni actual rabbles a higher pound. The more kinds of what was a massa. When you na waka ubi Munim near cosins and no cutter is a don't blink your eye as a woman a cutter he was and count up with a chasurano, a higher quality and cancer in our as a musia. Honorable would to me count up Casabua, and she named towards the other as a move in the name of your candidate, and one will become.
Speaking the truth, this is gamut. Stop that. We will criticize NDC, we will criticize MPP. That's the only way to go. I was chairman. NDC started this. Why didn't you complete it? You were there for 8 years, you didn't complete it. When somebody comes for 15 months, then you have a problem. Please, give me a break. Ghana, we should love our nation and stop playing politics with everything and do the right thing for the country. And that is what I'm doing. You see, when I mentioned MPP, he was blinking his eye. Why do you want me to criticize MPC and leave MPP? When I know that both parties, they didn't do the right. It's supposed to be original 11. Okay, we will get them. And say police hospital, normally in the county. We have at least, okay, Ode, Adabraka Polyclinic, okay, Ejoso, Etiwa East, Mampong, yeah, I'm going to 12. Tea, Egusu Kakaka.
Oka don't blink your eye. Watch him say the panel workers and person who the agents will like a day was so no day. Where you Ghana first. It is say MPP, say NDC, as somebody they send you say, and I was say. If you are then that's one fun to her, a year free to no day, what the best for paper. Say this is for better now so 8 years. No one to me and yes, and from 1.5 years. The idea I'm going to say. One more fanya from the Busia send me honorable Kai. And a bini honorable Enya Juni Beach say. Anya shake away MPP ni. It is so bad one servicing into my bufisano. I don't know what much that any Enya Juni sana. A be actually much honorable say. Actually honorable such as and someone honorable kind of day. And then someone a chair can be son and someone will Kai. Edify MPP party no aso. Sanko baby party name second ni and a flag bearer. Edema party na. Kwabeka sana na senior voter minister abusunya wabeka sa ede ama honorable kana kompe kwa Japan
Kennedy Agyapong wakane ho bio papa we MPP ni a mama yenye very 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 careful about Kennedy Agyapong. You see me voter me wasem bia me ka say sakokram wan fere say obesu hwene so a onso mfere so di asawa be den e betare ne so video be circulating. Kennedy Agyapong ano auto pickup and a motorbike echo check police service. Now donati cars ni wiye na media for a interview no. Na or can be afraid. Hospital na dan kwakofo ado aye ho adwuma wi a NDC for betena kunya so o ma band hospital no. Na Ghana minority for call ho na mukotwa hu video edi kire Ghana for Kennedy Agyapong say minority for no ni moral right say o meka wasam because ono no ye a chairman of the Interior and Defense Committee na MPP abatena for 8 years yentumi anye enti eni kwan say you complaining adwemboni ntino on tena se na on bisasem ni yie ansa na wabekasa agu ne ho ani ma se ye bekọ me pesa me ma Kennedy ti ase say that hospitals na ye kotwa ye di bae no na nando dan kwakofo ado wo commission hospital no ansa na ye free power e kire say ye wie bibia ama wa commission aka say aban no be ma ade na aye operation na obefa nurses obefa medical doctors obefa nkrofo mo makoye adwuma wom na Ghana nya hospital no so mfafo na so no ni selfish interest o portray ne wo che Ghana for say wono de o ka no kwenti no wanya ne checks opentama bu NDC MPP for obu ya kunfo na me ka samba kwa che Kennedy Agyapong say 2024 campaign na wo ye na MPP NDC for gina so e de ye campaign ti aye no this time around ya no me support Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia no and ye nyina no Ghana ayanko ha. Hospital near Baku 9. Ana Georgia Kunku for start here. And this is better kunya for man to nya wie. Na Baku for the buy no. We mu 6. We mu Baku 6. Am I operational? Emu 2 2024 na. Yaba before say better about no. Na do commission those hospitals no. Baku pen na yen to me anye. Enti say yen yo opposition. Na se yewunu say sani na do a commission ade no. Na se ubem aban de bema ade na yo operational. Na wabetena so 1.5 years. When to me anye na se ye kai aban ni say Ghana for Japade, Ghana for sika ne de enti no. Aban no commission a wo se ye fra Canada Agyapong. Enti no o be catch Ghana for say MPP any moral rights be complaining. Papa so what for afofra men fam my MPP so bio. I'm telling you, you see that kind of crocodile John what you do for ni be no man be very shallow minded. No money munyansa no mo feel say wo oye o kan okra na so pe Ghana for asem no. I am tro na we rough for a base polu big time. Because o Canada Agyapong ye ba be primaries you know. O can assemble and no patriotic citizen be no be cause asem no. What's your companies bebre? You be so say bomudin ni yentie. And then okay. What's it? Emre bia okobo company bidin no. GRA for chesiu na omo je o taxes bebre. And to any dia wo di be show ho. So your member pa na pe Ghana sam na so person who portray who say ne Ghana for nim say o kan okre na. As a sen ka wutumi dwudwam na wo throw company new na ye hunu so wutu ato am man na. Yeah, you know, you better Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia for say political party the numbers na ye. Na so number bi o hwa aye number bone. Asantifo bu baby say entakra na ma akokọ ye kese. Na so entakra bone de fanyam kwatre kwa. Ye ntena se ama Kennedy nya na adwene se wo ya MPP ni. Na ye boaboa no a wa behwe tete sa akokọ. Canada Agyapong is selfish. Ever since you two abandon you lose poto. Was said that I did no akobata NDC. A person was sang yadu we a garim. Na yanuma MPP ya bre ho na enya bibia free mu no. Yentina se am ono a MPP amana dani sikani MPP amana dani odefo on kojina simpie so na on ma MPP animungu ase da. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia se Canada Agyapong say obe free MPP ma jai sa o kon in cha me pa no. Sa Canada Agyapong ye to me jai no man no kwa New Patriotic Party ye bet to me winning 2028 election no without Canada Agyapong. Ni vote we are saying ati the for saying na dinachi na say about 2 years your friend is saying ni padu do say percentage is no nya moment concentrate political party no na yam build say eye ekuo say nipa ba ko free man ekuo ngu ye yan to men build MPP party e wo Canada Agyapong ho anyo no nko ni na betunya party na ye yie. Now, wake up I Spain for Edo money to Lami Yamaso. O prayer. Kevet. And you are more draw because Omo money that's what you now say Lami Yama. And to many anom and before, especially your party penny for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. I year say, oh, pack Canada Agyapong just on my Johnny MPP. So, Obekwa Mama non call. Na party no ntono sa oka sama yatumi dealing with him sa oya yatamfo waya no motro mojo waya no konongo kaya ono a onsoa ono susu a on makwan mo bi enya den ensoa enti me pesa me ka say Canada Agyapong say we your check here o check here and come be twan tro say ye ni wo kwan say ka bibi fa hospitals na and this eja ho no ho because Dr. Mahmoud Baomiani Nana Danko Akufo-Addo ye wi hospital no commission ye na ka operation kakesa de no o mema na ye operation a etitie ne nko asum yie say ye beka ho asem ne ye beka ho asem kyena sani NDC fo tire santefo na Asante region kwa hospital so mpeso mu jama ne ka no ye ntia se ma ye NDC fo enya saa de no na no ye beka na so beka say obefri MPP ma bye bye baba ya brew ni enantitwitwa ya brew ni hypocrisy ya brew ni nipa adwumboni ya brew ni otan a wo de tan Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. I'm telling you. Na sawaye wadwen say obegu MPP anim ase a masa yan tenase e ma wo Canada Agyapong a party na boawo ama wadi yie wo MPP mu wanyam faso wo MPP mu wadi MP for 24 years in the name of the New Patriotic Party. And then oyema onkrofo enti ye ka kiraw sa wo lusu na se enu nti otan ye ni bre wo mu na so obefri MPP ma ye hyew kusa se ko na ye betumi agwini election with that you Canada Agyapong enti me ka kiraw se MPP for minority ye beka ne nan ye beka ne kyena ye betire mu Ghana fo ahunu se NDC aban empe Asantefo asem NDC aban ekan Asantefo na sa hospital si eye voter region ena nkegu azumi se na nado John Mahama na tie kunya so ana wasi hospital voter amanu last stage ena nka nanado aba power na some people aba power na yan commission ya nka den na ebesi Ghana ha nyatom na doso wo ye corrupt wo ye selfishness wo ye selfish na sa selfishness no ya be before I support Dr. Mahmoud Baumia.
Water senior minister and some Yapakuti Abanaga for say I nyema bi wo bi ya la yira so beto aba se ba ko no se me wo ba ya wo share bo se wo be yenu wo ba wo ba be ya fe o manfo no asetena mu be koyie enti e na ya dodo na gina so na wo mu de koto aba it is opposition bi another party bi ye campaign etia party e wo so a eya na ne omo ka ne se as soon as your benten party e wo we die adwuma o kan e won timi nye mo ho chi mo moto aba ne ma me ba me ni ye ni ade it is honorable say NPP for betena so 8 years na se woman timi anya hwe amfa ho a eno ka ho bi e na ma Ghana for eto abade tia Ghana for the to abatia NPP for because on person who changes one near my NPP ba ya womo anye ni ye ni nti afere hospital no eno so eka ho bi ti se obi aba betena so 8 years na se ma anya ho hwe na mokọ na so obi aba ye campaign na so se NPP ba ya woman timi anya omo se no Monto aba ne fama na ye de ba e bi ni ye na so ma ba afi ba ko ne fremu nie na se hospital no eye 80% complete a e de ne si kwan se omo de nurses fo bekom ne doctors fo bekom no ba kwa ye adwuma because there were nurses ko be gu fi a wo mote na no ada na health minister be ka se sa be de abai no e be hwe na fi o de susu dia to nurses fo a omo fo mo adwuma because enfa so bia ma so se be fa nurse ni no be ko school na ko wia pass na wo ti fi no nya adwuma nye and so hospitals anyway na no ye wo ze ka aswafo e protest say mother and child hospital mu a yes ye wie and look at 100% complete bia machines ni ade nyina gum be sin ne sa hospital ye ntimi bia no e ma ne be ye bota enti esi ye e de ma ka aswafo nti we ni mu no se wo be ka say e na ye betena so ya nya hwe nti MPP for NDC for so aba na se wo nya hwe ya eti omo form nkodi ana ebe so say and some one rabo so kind no and because who na wo ba be buate na wo sa wo ba say who alleges must prove eti e dey say wo ba be ye be hye say dey wo e dey ye be ba ye be ye ntino wa ba na ya and those people for ko wa wo kwa kosi obo enti na ebusia some no say na etwagu no and na me dey aba be so mo message say wo be ja comment section ho dey am all the social media handles too much GH. Oh, subscribe, like, share. Now, go for that gold, any macro.